In the hustle and chaos of the daily life, there are one simple practice that can transform both our mind and the body, and that is meditation. Namaste, everyone. Welcome to today's episode of The Healthy Fountain. Today, we are going to talk about the meditation or meditation for our body and the mind. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get the latest update about useful information related to various health and welfare topics. Today we will explore how meditation is not just a spiritual ritual but also a powerful tool for mental clarity, emotional balance, and physical health. First, what is meditation? Meditation is the art of sitting still, calm your mind, and absorbing our inner peace, inner self. It doesn't mean emptying the mind but becoming aware of our thoughts without judgment. This awareness helps us reconnect with ourselves. In today's fast and paced world, stress and imbalance are common. Meditation offers a time tested, natural way to heal and strengthen both mind and the body. In this picture, we saw two images, one with full of thoughts and chaos, and second one with the stress with work and the clock. We show how in today's life we were all stuck in our work. We don't have time for ourselves. But if we do daily meditation, these all kinds of things or problems get healed. The practice of focus, attention, and awareness involves breathe, mantra, or silent observation. Train the mind to be calm and present and centered. Now we see the benefits which we get physically if we do meditation. It reduces stress and cortisol. It improves heart health, improve boost immunity, enhances sleep quality, realizing the relief or get rid of physical pain, improve breath and lung functioning, reduce blood pressure, and many more benefits which we get after doing meditation. These are just physical benefits. Now comes to mental and emotional benefits. Meditation is not just an activity, it's a key of health and happy life. There are many advantages of this, but these are the main focus of advantage we get after doing meditation. It helps to reduce stress and anxiety, promotes self-awareness, sharpen our focus, memory, increase mental clarity, and many more. In today's era, 13 to 14-year child whose journal physical progress is to be play, joyful, but in today's era, they were so stuck on the daily manner. They don't have time, they don't have that kind of childish behavior. They just have go to school and done homework and phone on internet, Insta, Reels. They all stuck in these things. Without getting out and get the fresh air, our body can't be work properly. Likewise, the main reason they get rid of so many diseases in just small ages, that's the main reason. They don't have natural environment. And if they do meditation and things like this, they will grow properly. Now the point is, we saw the Ayurvedic view on meditation. In Ayurveda, health is not merely the absence of disease, but a state of balance between sharir, manasa, and atma. Meditation is key tool for the achieving the harmony. It calms the kapha dosh, vata dosh, balances pitta. If we do regularly do meditation, meditation also strengthen our sattva, means our thinking ability of the mind, responsible for clarity, purity, and contentment. A sattvic mind supports healing and inner peace, which naturally reflects in the physical wellness. Now we see the simple meditation technique, which were first find a quiet space, sit comfortable on a chair or a floor. Don't be on the fancy and any kind of a read or any kind of area which has so many chaos. Close or your eyes, gently rest your arm on the lap, focus on your breath, count your breath, how much you inhale and exhale at a time. Inhale slowly through the nose, exhale softly. Notice the sensation of breath entering and leaving the body. Absorb, control, doesn't control. Let your thoughts flow. Instead of fighting them, gently return your focus to the breath each time you get distracted. Practice for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Set a timer if needed. End the session by slowly opening your eyes, taking a moment of gratitude. After that, if you daily or for a long time, if you do meditation, the benefits which you get. Like I give an example of Buddhist monk. They do meditation for years, like decades. That's why they are rid of that kind of mental calamity. They are free from mental disease. And if I give an example, in a home, if there is a peaceful manner or a peaceful environment, the child grow on this that environment will grow up with a stable and mental clarity. Controlling breathing technically enhance energy, reduce stress, improve mental focus, fostering senses of the calm, balance, and heighten the mental clarity. It will definitely support the digestion and metabolism, balance hormones and nervous system, encourages longevity and quality of life, boost overall energy and resilience. Now we see the real life example of our all favorite Virat Kohli sir. Virat Kohli, India's cricket superstar, one of the finest athletes in the world, has credited meditation and mindfulness as a key of a part of his transformation, both mentally and physically. In early years, we saw Virat Kohli known for his aggression and emotional outbursts, but around 2015, he adopted meditation, yoga, and spiritual mindset to gain better and control over his thoughts and action. And now we all saw the calm and the best Virat Kohli. Now I conclude the healthy body begins with peaceful mind. Meditation isn't luxury, it's necessity in the today's world. Make it daily habit. Witness healthier, more vibrant version of yourself inside and out. Thank you for your time and attention.
If you have any doubts related to meditation for healthy mind and body, ask your questions in comment section. Share this video with your family and friends.